Good day everyone, I'm here in your fan. We're going to solve the CME. Our Q is 4 PC equals to 4 times 10 to the power of 12 C. So our permittivity is 8.85 times 10 to the power of 12 F over M. So our area is 2 cm squared. Number 2, 2 times 10 to the negative 4 meters squared. So our distance is 2 mm. 2 times 10 to the power of negative 3. So this is our formula for the surface. Perimeter 8 over D. We're going to input the value first. 8.85 times 10 to the power of 12. 2 times 10 to the power of 4 over 2 times 10 to the power of 3. So our C is 8.85 times 10 to the power of 13. So we're going to the second is we're going to solve the B is equals to Q over C. So our is 4 times 10 to the power of 12 and our C is 8.85 times 10 to the power of 13. So our V is 4.52 volts. Number 2, part A, we have our reductance 0.285 millihertz. We have to convert to 0.285 times 10 to the power of 3. So our MO is 4 pi times 10 to the power of 7 Henry over meter. And our area is 6 times 10 to the power of negative 4 meters squared. And our length is 36 millimeter. We have to convert to meter is 0.36 meter. This is our formula. L is equals to MO N squared. So N times N squared times area over. We're going to find the terms. So our formula tells us N squared is equals to inductance times length M over MO area. We're going to input the value of this formula. And our inductance is 0.285 times 10 to the power of 3 Henry. And our length is times 0.36 meters over our MO is 4 pi times 10 to the negative to the power of negative 7 Henry over meter. And our area is 6 times 10 negative 4 to the power of M squared. This is our mechanism. We go into square root. The answer is this equation. This is 1.36 times 10 to the power of 5. So our answer is 69 terms. Our second number is we have our electric motive first. This is 12 to the power of 0.5 MV. We're going to convert to motives. Negative 12.5 times 10 to the power of 3. Now our inductance is 0.285 NH. We're going to convert to Henry 0.285 times 10 to the power of 300. We have our formula is NAF equals to negative the DI dt. Then to going to find DI over dt is equals to negative EMF over L over N. The given value is negative 12.5 times 10 to the power of 3. Now, that is 0.285 times 10 to the power of 3. And our DI over dt is